Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a list in ActiveCampaign. It's simple to get started, and if you want to follow along, check the link in the description below. You can use that link to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Contacts tab. Next, you'll see a Lists button. Click on it. Then select Add List. Enter a name for your list, and optionally, you can add a URL and description. Finally, click Save, and your list will be added successfully. By the way, I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you'll discover how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. This training is available at no cost right now, so don't miss your chance to join. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others.